What's up, YouTube? This is your boy CJ63 Sauce Mighty, aka Girl Johnson, and we're back in our video. And as you guys may know, I'm a voice impressionist. I could do Optimus Prime. You guys know I've done the voices multiple times for you guys to know. So this isn't a 70 subscriber special, but I'm going to be doing sound effects. Let's start. So first off, Transformers transformation sound effect. Megatron's fusion cannon. Machine gun. Um, uh, a rocket launcher. Um, let's see. Oh, the animatronic footsteps from Five Nights at Freddy's. Also, the Five Nights at Freddy's 3 jump scare. That's the only jump scare sound I can really do. Then next will be, you could consider this as Megatron swing, or basically a melee weapon being tossed around. Kind of like the animatronic footsteps. But it comes well with the animatronic footsteps also come well with swinging a melee weapon around, especially like Megatron's fusion mace, like this. Next is G1 Starscream's null race. There we go. Then you got a car driving by. A horn. Beep beep. Next is uh hmm. Oh, a drill gun. Um Next is uh Blackout's you know his little well, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna do Blackout's little blade. He uses it as a saw and whatnot, so I'm gonna use it and we'll do it. It sounds a lot like a weed whacker, but it sounds a lot different too. Next will be um a cow. Mrrr, mrrr. Next, a creeper. Psst, psh. A zombie. Next will be Freddy laughing. Next will be a knife being pulled out. Next will be thunder. I can't really do thunder. Baldy slapping his roar. Um, and Grimlock roaring. Roar! Anyways, guys, that's it for me. Please sure to like, comment, subscribe, and clear tab on the notification bell to never visit. See you guys in the next video. Peace. Those are rules. I didn't watch the YouTube video. I am rolling out. And let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite sound effect. Goodbye.